Do you visit door handle exhibitions in Milan, but never find the same quality in India? Are you fed up with local hardware stores that sell Chinese products and call them Italian? Would you like your celebrity clients to get a first-hand experience of Italy's best-selling luxury door handles? Your wish has finally come true. The world-class designer door handles brand, Olivari, is now in India. For the first time ever, Indian architects and homeowners can touch and feel the luxury of the best-selling Olivari handles, right here in India. Only at the Olivari Handles showroom by Benzoville, Grand Mall, Gurgaon. One showroom, limitless possibilities. Presenting Olivari's Italian legacy since 1911. With the best of authentic Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge European technology, and a catalog of 100-plus authentic Olivari door handles manufactured in Italy. With historic pieces, timeless bestsellers, and novelties signed by the greatest international designers and architects. Get ready to experience the magic of Olivari by Benzoville. To get an exclusive preview of the Olivari door handles range, click the link button below and book your exclusive strategy call with Benzoville experts.